In the rapidly evolving world of automotive technology, staying connected and charged on the go is essential for Mazda enthusiasts seeking to retrofit their Mazda 2, 3, 6, CX-30, CX-5, CX-8, CX-9, or MX-5 with cutting-edge features like Type-C fast charging, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The TK78669U0C Kit from Aliexpress proves to be a game-changer. In this article, we'll explore the key features and benefits of this OEM adapter hub and how it can transform your driving experience. One of the standout features of the TK78669U0C Kit is its Type-C fast charging capability. With the increasing reliance on mobile devices for navigation, communication, and entertainment, having a reliable and fast charging solution is crucial. The Type-C port ensures quick and efficient charging, keeping your devices ready for action while you're on the road. The TK78669U0C Kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering a unified and intuitive interface for your smartphone. Whether you're an iPhone user or an Android enthusiast, you can now enjoy hands-free calls, navigation, and access to your favorite apps directly through your Mazda's infotainment system. This adapter hub comes equipped with a universal USB hub, allowing you to connect multiple devices simultaneously. The convenience of having multiple USB ports ensures that both the driver and passengers can charge their devices simultaneously, promoting a harmonious in-car digital experience. The TK78669U0C Kit boasts OEM quality, ensuring a seamless integration with your Mazda's existing system. Retrofitting your Mazda with this kit is a straightforward process, making it an accessible upgrade for Mazda 2, 3, 6, CX-30, CX-5, CX-8, CX-9, and MX-5 owners looking to enhance their vehicle's capabilities without compromising on quality. Aliexpress has gained a reputation for providing products that are not only cost-effective but also user-friendly. The TK78669U0C Kit follows this trend with an installation process that caters to both automotive enthusiasts and those new to D upgrades. The kit typically comes with comprehensive instructions, making it accessible for a wide range of users. The Type-C fast charging, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto adapter USB hub OEM retrofit kit from Aliexpress with its TK78669U0C model offers Mazda owners an affordable and efficient way to modernize their in-car experience. With its seamless integration, universal USB hub, and user-friendly installation process, this kit stands out as a must-have upgrade for those looking to stay connected, charged, and entertain while on the road. Upgrade your Mazda and elevate your driving experience with this cutting-edge retrofit kit from Aliexpress.